Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these rag and bone sunglasses model RNB1029 GS in color code WR790. The color of the frame is black. On its temples are protective sleeves to make sure that the glasses don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are a square shape and the lenses are gray gradient. The temples are also black and the rag and bone logo is engraved on the temple tip. This is the inside of the frame, and both temples are the same. You'll also find the rag and bone logo engraved on its left lens. On its inner right temple is again the rag and bone logo, and on its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 22 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a rag and bone case and a rag and bone dust bag. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.